The engine knocking isn't the most pleasing of the sounds. It's the sound of the impending doom and financial despair. In this video I'm going to show you how to solve this problem with minimal expenses.
Без супротека. В рамках политики этого канала.
When we open the engine compartment, we can hear the distinctive noise. Now, to determine what exactly is knocking, we're going to use a stethoscope. It is now clear, everything is knocking. So we close the bonnet. We proceed to our home sweet home. The knocking still persists. Now we press the secret button, and voila! No more knocks. To improve the results, you may also turn on the heater and the wipers, if they're sufficiently squeaky. Valve channel, low effort, high impact.